Welcome back to my series, High Protein Thursday. Today, we're making Salsa Verde cream chicken lettuce wraps. So let's make it. As always, the whole recipe will be in the caption, or you can grab all of my recipes in the High Protein Cookbook. This one is bright, creamy, and super easy to throw together. I'll be throwing in the chicken, the Salsa Verde, and cream cheese for that smooth, rich texture. Once that's all combined, we're gonna mix it together until it's nice and creamy. Now you can go ahead and just serve it as it is, or you can spoon it into lettuce wraps for a fresh, easy way to eat it. You can also portion this out for meal prep or serve it however works best for your day. I like to keep this simple so it's easy to repeat, but you can always add extras like shredded cheese or avocado. And now you have an easy high protein meal ready to go. Make sure to follow so you don't miss next week's episode of High Protein Thursday.